Hello, my little artists! Today we are going to draw something full of love and smiles. Are you ready to draw a cute Heart Cupid? Let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the bow. Draw a curvy line like a banana shape. Great job! Now draw the arrow. Draw a straight line. Add a pointy tip at the front. Now let's draw the hands holding the bow and arrow. Awesome! Now behind everything, draw a big heart shape. Wow, that looks lovely! Let's add 2 tiny wings. One wing on this side, one wing on that side. Now let's make it happy. Draw 2 cute little eyes.
La da 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 dee.
Draw a smiling mouth. Aw, our Heart Cupid is smiling. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome! Isn't it beautiful?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Deep red color. Blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Golden color. Silver color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, so colorful and lovely. You did an amazing job today. Happy Valentine's Day to all my little artists. If you loved this Valentine drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.